Hey guys, welcome back to Opaw's Workshop and another episode of Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. As I said in my little warm-up video the other day, I got this 1969 Red Baron Hot Wheels in the mail the other day, anonymously, and evidently whoever sent it tried to restore it, messed up the posts, and gave up. So let's see if we can get it back to at least static rolling display, if there is such a word for that. Well, see if we can get started here with my base. Get some of that corrosion off of there. A little bit of lime away and 50% water. And while that's soaking, see if we can clean up the rest of the body a little bit. Now that we've got that polished up, put it in a little bath of some mineral spirits and get her cleaned up and ready for some primer. Get a little hot soapy water, get our wheels and tires and our interior done. That lime away and water really cleans these bases up. I mean, that looks beautiful. Did a great job on that motor too. Yeah, I hate to say it, and I really appreciate that they sent it to me, but man, oh man, they really messed up that post. Went ahead and cleaned up the helmet roof, get it ready for polishing. Let's get some primer on this bad boy. Now that I got this motor and the base all polished up, I'm going to give it a coat of lacquer. Clear edit on the bottom. Now let's give our interior a little scrub. Our tires. When they dry, some edge revive it. Alright, let's get some paint on this guy. A light tack coat with the next one.
bit of super glue and a little of our baking soda. Well, that's a first.
Now you'll see that the new sleeves I put in for the new wheel pins, I like to put a little groove in them. That way you don't have to worry about dripping the super glue or whatever glue you're using all over your fingers. Well, there she is. Kind of had to piecemeal it back together, but like I said, it was always my favorite Hot Wheel. Tomorrow, after it dries real good, I'll get the iron crosses on the helmet, do a little detail work with the paintbrush, let it dry overnight, and we'll see what she looks like. Well, there you go, gang. We're all finished. I got my details added on. By the way, those are real Iron Cross stickers. Not those cheap Hot Wheels Hong Kong versions. Those are what a real Iron Cross looks like. This was a lot of fun. Whoever sent it, I hope I did you justice. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. And if anybody wants to send me others to restore, feel free. For now, this is Opaw's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations saying goodbye.